Okay, we have triangle ABC here is an equilateral triangle, and K is the midpoint. K is the midpoint of the line AC. What is the area of triangle ABC? So we want the area of triangle ABC. If it is a equilateral triangle, that means this distance and that distance, same as that distance, all of AC. And this angle here obviously is 60 degrees also, and this angle is 60 degrees. So if this is 90 to 60, then this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. The two of them combine to give you 60. So we can still invoke technically, if we can find the area of this little triangle here, then we can multiply that by 2. So the whole of this area, if this area is here, then the total area will be equal to 2 times A. But we know A is equal to half the base, and we're going to take the base as KC times height, which is equal to 8. And so if we want to find the total area, we multiply this by 2. Therefore, the total area here will be equal to 2A will be equal to 2 times half KC 8, which will be equal to 8 times the distance KC, right? So if you know the distance KC, that means you multiply that by 8, and that should give us the total area. Now let's come back here and see. We know from unit triangles, if I have a triangle 60, this is 30, this and this is 60. If I know sine of 30 is equal to 1 over 2, which means this will be 1, this will be 2, and therefore this will be root 3, right? But how do I find KC? Because I need KC. This is KC. I know this. And so it appears if I can use tangent of a sort. So here, tangent of 60 is opposite of adjacent. So tangent of 60 will be opposite of adjacent also. Now, as you can see from here, tangent of 60 degrees from the unit triangle here will be equal to root 3 over 1, right? So we can come back and say, well, that means root 3 over 1 will be equal to tangent 60 here, which will be equal to 8 over the distance KC. So what is our KC? Therefore, our KC will be equal to 8 over root of 3. And therefore, if we multiply our KC by 8 and multiply this also by 8, then we get 64 over root of 3 will be called the area of the triangle of interest. And therefore, the answer here will be answer choice C. I hope this makes sense to you. Otherwise, go back and review the material so that at least it makes sense.